As we inch closer to the anticipated release of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, rumors and leaks are giving us a clearer picture of what to expect from Samsung's next flagship smartphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse device, with significant upgrades in design, performance, and software. Below, we break down all the latest leaks, provide sources for each claim, and delve into what these changes could mean for you. The design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to undergo a significant transformation. According to leaks from sources like Ice Universe on X, Samsung might be moving away from the sharp, note-like corners that have characterized its recent Ultra models. Instead, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could feature a more rounded, palm-friendly shape, making it easier to hold and use, especially for those who prefer larger devices. This shift in design follows current trends seen in other flagship phones from competitors like Apple and Google. Another design leak suggests that the S25 Ultra will be slightly thinner than its predecessor, with a thickness of 8.4 millimeters compared to the S24 Ultra's 8.6 millimeters. This reduction in thickness is paired with a promise from Samsung to deliver a top-of-the-line display. While specifics on the display technology haven't been detailed yet, Samsung's history with AMOLED screens suggests we can expect vibrant colors, deep blacks, and possibly even faster refresh rates. One of the most exciting leaks surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the potential for a significant RAM upgrade. Reliable leaker Ice Universe has hinted that the S25 Ultra might feature a variant with 16 GB of RAM. This would be a substantial leap from the 12 GB RAM found in the previous Ultra models like the Galaxy S22 and S23. Such a large amount of RAM would be particularly beneficial for power users who multitask frequently, as well as for handling more advanced AI tasks and running demanding applications. This claim is further supported by reports from SamMobile, which noted that Samsung has ramped up mass production of RAM, indicating that the company is serious about boosting the performance of its devices. The extra RAM would also help the S25 Ultra stand out against competitors like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is rumored to have only 8 GB of RAM. Samsung has always placed a strong emphasis on camera quality in its flagship phones, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to continue this trend. According to reports, the S25 Ultra could feature upgraded telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, each with 50-megapixel sensors. This would significantly improve over the 10 megapixels and 12 megapixel sensors used in previous models. The 3x and 5x zoom levels are expected to remain the same, but the increased resolution could lead to sharper and more detailed images. However, not all the news is positive. Some leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models might reuse the same main sensor from the Galaxy S23, which could be disappointing for those expecting entirely new camera hardware. Still, Samsung is reportedly working on improved image processing algorithms, which could enhance the quality of photos and videos even with older sensors. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely ship with Samsung's latest software, One UI 7, which is based on Android 15. This update is expected to bring many AI-powered features that could significantly enhance the user experience. For instance, the software might include tools that can detect and analyze what's on your screen in real time, providing useful information and suggestions. This would align with Samsung's ongoing focus on integrating AI more deeply into its devices. However, there has been some uncertainty regarding the release of One UI 7. Multiple sources have reported that the beta version of this software, which was supposed to launch in late July or early August, has been delayed indefinitely. This delay could be due to challenges in integrating Android 15 or Samsung's own customizations within One UI. Despite the delay, it is expected that One UI 7 will be ready in time for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's release. Additionally, there's talk of an even more advanced version, One UI 7.1, which might bring further improvements specifically optimized for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While details on these enhancements are scarce, they could include better system animations, improved fluidity, and perhaps even more sophisticated AI features. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be officially unveiled in January 2025, following Samsung's typical release schedule. While the exact pricing has not been confirmed, rumors of a potential price hike exist. This increase could be due to the rising costs of components, particularly the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, which is rumored to include a custom in-house CPU architecture from Qualcomm. Given these factors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be one of the most expensive smartphones on the market, potentially exceeding the $1,300 price tag of the S24 Ultra. If you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking to upgrade, it might be worth waiting to see what Samsung officially announces in January. Be sure to subscribe and stay informed about the latest news on upcoming Samsung phones.